back to another vlog. If you are new, welcome. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads, and let's get right into it. So today is Tuesday. I just got finished editing a vlog that is live now. It went up last week. I'm trying to finish my coffee. That's not working. I'm getting ready to take some elderberry. I don't know if you guys have taken that before or even heard of it, but it's really good. It's a natural ingredient. It's really good for inflammation, for your immune system and all that. And we all could probably use that right now, especially during these months. I specifically take it because if you've been here for a while, you know that I have allergies. And when we moved in this new place, whatever they have in the backyard jacked me up when we first moved here. Like, I was swollen, my face was inflamed, my legs were swollen, feet were swollen, my face was puffy. It was just not a good time. And it took me a minute to figure out what was going on. But because Ace is going out in the backyard more and by himself, and then he's coming in and I'm holding him, petting him, that's what is aggravating me. I'm itching just thinking about it. So what I've been doing is going back to taking my Claritin every day, and then my elderberry, and I'll show you guys what that looks like in a second. So for today's agenda, we are getting the TV. If you guys saw the last vlog, we're getting the TV swapped out. We got an 85-inch to go upstairs in the loft area, and it has a crack in it at the bottom when we opened it to be put up. So they're going to swap it out and bring a new one today. So that is on the agenda for today. I don't know if we'll get it hung today, but that's for the that's on the agenda for today. So let me show you guys really quick the elderberry that I've been taking, and I get this one from the spa that I go to. But I even had Kaylee take a shot of it because it helped with your immune system, and she had a sore throat here recently, and I let her take a shot of that, and she didn't want to take any more because she doesn't like the way it tastes, because it has like cinnamon, clove, and other natural ingredients, honey. I'll show you guys in a second, but it really helped her sore throat that day, and I felt like it would have gotten worse had she not had that. So if you haven't, get your hands on some elderberry, you guys. You will not be disappointed. You can take it every day. I just take it like in a shot glass every day. Okay, so this is the elderberry. It's sweets elderberry syrup, organic elderberries, raw seasonal honey, organic ginger, organic cinnamon, and organic cloves. And again, I just take this. This is a glass jar, and I just take a shot of this on the daily, and it helps tremendously. So if you guys are looking to take some elderberry, I promise you, you will not regret it. Okay, just have my shot glass here. You're supposed to shake it up really good because at the bottom it settles. So shake it up. I've already taken my Claritin, and just pour me a little shot. Cheers. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Didn't do much of anything after I got off with you guys, but because what did we do? Last night, our oldest had a game, so we went to that. But I want to show you guys the shelves. The shelves are in that I was showing you guys that are going on the wall. So just delivered them not too long ago. I already put one up. I just need to screw in the screw like back into the wall to get the other one up. So here they are. It's 3 in total. Like I said, I just hung one up. The color of this is called coffee, I believe. And she just stained them for me. They're so, so, so pretty. And I'm gonna show you guys what let's go look at the one that I hung up. Okay, so this is the one that I hung up. Did I center that right? I think that's centered right. So we have to do the last 2, and that's just really gonna bring that wall together. Still have not hung that picture up. But the shelves are so pretty, and I'm very, very happy with the color and how they came out. I'll leave her information below if you guys are in the Charlotte area and want some furniture done. She does everything. And I need to get more pillows for my couch. I do not like when you buy furniture And it comes with these little decorative pillows. These drive me nuts. They're never cute. They're always old looking. I just hate the design. So I think I'm gonna get some pillowcases to put on these. I don't know what color, but maybe the same color as this one. But these I like. I'm fine with these. Like, I'm fine with these. But I do not like the decorative ones. That's why I have them turned around, if you were wondering. But yeah. Okay, so this is the master bedroom. My curtains that I'm obsessed with. I haven't fluffed them out good at the bottom, but I love them because I love that they hit the floor, and I just love the colors, just really pretty. The bed frame is from Ashley's. The bedding is Casaluna. That faux fur blanket is from Marshall's, and then this rug is from Ashley's. Chavs actually picked out the black, which I thought was really, really, really pretty. I need to straighten out. This is not even on that side. But that cover, you guys, is so soft. It's so soft. It's probably hot as crap to put it on you, but it's, you know, more decorative, but it's so soft. And we have the mirror, which you guys have seen this mirror at the old house. So the way that it came together with the bedding, and I'll show you guys the dresser in a second, just came together so good. So then this is the dresser. The dresser is from Ashley's also. I was watching The Family Stone. I love this movie, you guys. Candle smells so good. This is from Target. It's by Threshold. It's the almond shortbread. It smells divine. It's a little dusty, but it smells good. This box is from Versed, a PR box I got. I think I shared this with you guys on Instagram. I'll open it in just a second. But I love how the mirror and the bedding, and not the bedding, the bed frame and the dresser just ties in together so well. So pretty. I'm going to get a chair to sit here and like a little table. So I'll show you guys when I get that. I haven't picked that out yet. And then you have your tray ceilings. The ceiling fan is kind of like the one like I showed you guys downstairs. It's just smaller. I love the tray ceiling in the master bedroom. So pretty. I think I'm going to do like maybe some artwork here on this wall. I'm not really sure yet. I kind of want to take my time. I do want it to be clean though. I want my bedroom to stay clean and airy like it is. We are going to do end tables. Haven't picked those out yet either, so I'm not waiting on them because I don't know what kind of end tables to do. I'm stuck. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I don't think I'm going to do anything over the bed like picture wise or anything. I don't think that I am, but I'm so in love with this bed frame, you guys. The bed is so comfortable. It's so comfortable. The mirror, like I told you guys, I love how the hardware here matches the hardware up here. I love that. So cute. This mirror is actually from Walmart too. Like I said, it was in the old house. Okay, so this is the master bath. I'm not going to show that today because I have to clean it again. I'm actually getting ready to do all the bathrooms. So I'm not going to show this. This will be on a separate video. But yeah, this is the master bedroom. Very, very simple. What was I going to say? I'm going to do more pillows on the bed too, you guys. I just have these basic pillows. The first pillowcase, that's from the Casaluna brand. And forgive the little wrinkled pillow on the back. This rug is very soft too if you walk on it without your socks. Oh, I do want to show you guys the book that I'm reading since I'm in here. It's called In 5 Years. It's really, really good. It's about a girl. Basically, she has the perfect life. She's a lawyer. Forget what her fiance does, but she's getting ready. She got engaged, and then the night she got engaged, she wakes up And then she's in like a whole nother apartment with a whole nother guy. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. Open up my Versed box since I'm right here. Kids got pizza on it, pizza sauce on it. So disregard. Thank God I got a video before they did that. So this is a dermaplaning tool. It's really cute. It's matte black, and then you have the niacinamide Just Breathe clarifying serum. You guys have seen me use this. I use this all the time. It's a great serum. If your skin is congested, if you want to brighten the skin, if you want to even the skin tone, this is perfect for that. I love this. This is some heavy rotation. I used the dermaplaning tool before. I'm not gonna take it all the way out. I used the dermaplaning tool before, you guys. They had it in mint green when they first came out, but I just got a dermaplaning facial not even 2 weeks ago, so I'm not going to use this right now. And then this candle they sent, I need to actually take this out. Afterglow basking candle, white sage, dark musk. I've already smelled it, you guys. It smells amazing. In the packaging, hello, love it. So I'm gonna take that out so I can put this on my dresser. And you guys know that I am an ambassador for Versed. I do have a code. If you guys ever want to purchase any skincare, you get 10% off of your first order. So I'll link that down below for you guys. Okay, now we're in the loft area. I can show you guys what I have going on now since I have the boxes cleaned out. We just hung the TV. This is the 85-inch that they replaced yesterday because it was cracked, and this one is perfect and together. I had to wipe the wall down there because it got scuffed while we were hanging up the TV. I never want to do that again. That was a lot. This shelf here, you guys saw this in the old house. I just have knickknackies on it. My record player, very simple. It's probably gonna stay like this. And then these are the curtains I was telling you guys about that I have up here, the dark gray curtains. These are from IKEA also. But I was saying I wanted to do the ivory curtains in here that I have downstairs and in my master bedroom because I think it would just be really, really pretty. But you guys tell me what you think. Travis is saying he doesn't think the ivory should go up here. He likes the gray because when we're watching movies, it's cozy and things like that. So you guys let me know. I'm gonna step back so you can get the full view. Hey, CJ. So we're gonna have, of course, I don't know if we're doing a sectional, some sort of furniture here. Haven't picked that out yet. And then a console under the TV. Haven't picked that out yet either. The laundry room is this way. Yeah, this is the loft, you guys. It's so pretty and spacious, and I love that. So if you turn around this way, the exit to downstairs. Oh, let me show you guys the shelf debacle. So Travis tried to hang the shelves, but the screws, you know, you have that little white piece the screw goes in to go into the wall. He has to get bigger ones because of the holes are so big. So I'm sad about it because I thought they were going to be up today, but he can't do them today because he has other things he needs to do. I'm trying to figure out who's going to dust that ceiling fan. But yeah, this is the view from upstairs. Still waiting on that Chase. Hey, AC Boo. And I said I wasn't going to come out for Black Friday shopping. It definitely wasn't intentional. I needed to get a moisturizer and a cleanser because I ran out. I'll show you guys what I got when I got home. It was buy one, get one 40%. And we got the Christmas tree. We got the last one. I wanted a flock tree this year. And we got the last tree, you guys. It's a 7-foot tree. Almost hurt my back putting it in the buggy because it's just me and Kaylee. But I'll show you guys when we get home what the tree looks like. And also my Chase came for the last attachment for the couch. So I'll show you guys what that looks like when we get home. But we need to get out of this Black Friday madness real quick, real fast. I came in here on a mission. Got more than what I wanted, but we got out. Okay, we made it back home, and this is the tree that I got. It's the flocked Douglas lit tree. I've wanted a flock tree for a while now. This was the last tree, you guys, so I had to get it. Not $375. It's originally $375, but with the Black Friday sale, it's $187. Again, the last tree, I had to snag it. I think we're gonna put it up tonight and then do the ornaments this weekend. Kaylee, that sound good? Possibly. And then let me show you guys what else I got from Target. Little Target haul. Just soap. And then I got everybody a pair of pajamas so I can do my Vlogmas intro because I'm doing Vlogmas this year. So I got the Naturium cleanser again. This is the Gelée cleanser. I talked about this on one of my videos. But I got this again because it works for me. I like it. And then I needed to get, not it, a moisturizer. So I just stuck with Naturium and got her moisturizer. I haven't tried this yet. This is the Plant Ceramide Rich Moisture Cream. And it was buy one, get one 40% off. But of course you get it off the cheaper priced item. I think this is 18 bucks and this was 24, I think. But I'm going to use these tonight. My skin already loves this. I just have to see if my skin loves this. Let's take a smell. Bad. Doesn't really have a scent. I'm not going to touch it right now because my hands are not clean, but it looks thick. So I'm excited about that. Then I got the Tresemme Extra Hold Hair Gel. I needed some hair gel for Kaylee. I was looking for the Got to Be something. Is it Got to Be glue?
You said got to. You just said got to be.
Got to be. I think it's Got to Be glue. I don't know. But they didn't have it. So I'm going to try this one because she wants to wear her hair back. And then I got some Goody hair bands somewhere. You seen the Goody hair ties, Taylor? Oh, I see it. And then I got these. I should have got the thicker ones, but these are probably going to work. So I got these. And I also have a little something in here for my Vlogmas. Can't tell you guys the secret. But yeah, I just got a few things from Target. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the, what am I going to do? The chair. Okay, so the other part of the couch came, or the other part of the sectional came. So this whole part right here is the chase that we were waiting for. If you remember, there was nothing here. It had like a little connector, like a metal connector on the side of this one. And so this is what we were waiting for. So that came today. Let me see if I can get a better shot for you guys. And then 2 more pillows also came with it as well, which I'm excited about because I love the gray pillows. I haven't fluffed them out or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And again, we're waiting on our rugs still. Those won't be here till beginning of December. Hopefully they'll be here a little sooner just because we got this piece sooner. This will be my area where I'm gonna watch TV and cross my feet. But yeah, it's really pretty. Going upstairs and looking down at the sofa too is really, really pretty. So cozy, and I love this color. This is slate gray. If anybody's wondering, if I can find this sofa, I will, or this sectional, I will link it below if anybody's interested. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, a great Black Friday. I hope y'all did not break the bank and spend too much money. We need to be saving and, you know, thinking for days ahead. Not just Christmas, but just, you know, not spending crazy because it's just not smart. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.